Thank you. What did you say? Oh my gosh, that was wow. A wet one. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so I was at work and I don't know, I just sneezed out of nowhere, I think because I was a little cold today. It's been a little chilly, but random sneezes come. It could just because spring's nearby. In the dark. Oh, I sneezed. Finally. I was just laying in bed and I just let out a sneeze. I had my window open beside me, so that's what probably made me sneeze.
It's not like you drive reckless, but sometimes people come out of nowhere and you gotta hit the brake or you gotta swerve. And then now that's gonna go on your record that you did that, but they don't know that, you know, someone almost cut you off, someone almost hit you.
Yeah, they don't tell you everything.
Yeah. And they try like how many miles.
I don't know the reviews, what they say, the same thing.
Same thing, yeah. Cause I had it, and every time like I hit the brake, it beeped. Something happened, and it knew how far I was going, where I was going.
Don't make fun of me. Oh my gosh.
I finally got myself to sneeze.